If you're like me and you've got too many plants and not enough space to put them all, it's time to start thinking vertically. This hanging plant tray is ideal for displaying small indoor plants, and it's easy to make with some really basic tools and materials. You'll just need a tray, some rope, scissors, and a drill. The first step is to prepare the tray. I found this round tray in a homeware store, and it only cost me $15, which is great because I'm about to drill some holes in it. Drill 3 holes equally spaced around the tray using a 10mm drill bit, about 20mm from the edge. The tray is going to be suspended by 3 ropes. First, decide how high you want the tray to hang and measure that length from the ceiling. You want to cut your ropes about 50 centimeters longer than that. Thread the rope through each hole, then tie it tightly in a knot, then trim off any excess. Tie all the other ends together, then tie a second knot about 30 centimeters from the end. And that's all it really takes to make this floating tray. You can hang it pretty much anywhere you like using an S-hook. Otherwise, if you want to suspend it from the ceiling, just make sure you're securing it to a ceiling joist to support the weight of the plants.